Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can use a template URL in place of template. Because in template earlier what we were doing, this is a directive demo, restrict to the element, transload is true, and title is binded with a string isolate binding, and I'm using template URL. So earlier what we were doing, we were using template in place of template URL and declaring a lot of HTML content here. So it's not a better approach of writing a lot of HTML content inside a JavaScript code. Even if you want to declare something, if you want to write something, we can use a template URL in place of template. So what is the difference between template URL? It can be real template URL can denote a particular file having an HTML content, or we can use ng template for this. So the difference is, in the template we were using a lot of HTML content. Here you can write enough amount of HTML content, but this is not a better approach. You can remove this, or you can use a template URL which is denoted with demo.html. So it can represent a separate HTML file, or it can represent an ng template defined inside ngl. So if you see this script type and text or ng template, so you need to bind, you need demo.html. It should be somewhere, so in your application. So to get this is a template, actually template cache. So it will load this script inside a template cache which has an ID of demo.html. So whenever you write template URL equal to demo.html, it will return this HTML content from the template cache, because script type is text ng template. This is ng template, which is an ID demo.html. From the demo.html, you will get this complete script, this script, and you are using this demo directive, which is you can denote multiple restrictions here also. It will work in the same way. So here I'm using this directive as an attribute, and this title is a string binding, so I'm just using it. So in the demo, what the demo is returning a template URL containing this ng template. So whenever you write this, if you write only this, it has no any meaning. It is just a script. It will not execute this HTML. This HTML will be executed only when any directive will use this template cache or something. So I'm using it in the demo directive. I'm returning this template URL demo.html, so I will see that output accordingly. This is my output. I'm getting data from this template cache, ng template. So this is the best way. If you have a lot of HTML content somewhere, then you can put that in separate HTML file, or you can declare that inside this script tag if you have a lot of data to show in the directive template or template URL. Thank you everyone.